Hey guys, so I kind of wanted to, felt like making this right now. I'm gonna be doing a series where I do tutorials on how to play Minecraft. I mean, all of you probably already know how to do it, but if you don't, I know that there are some people who don't play Minecraft. Like, I don't play Fortnite so that much, so I'm gonna be teaching you, doing a series on Minecraft, I guess. So when you turn on the application, the first thing you'll notice is this launcher. It basically is the launcher for like options for like how you play Minecraft or if there's mods or not. And yeah, there are different and okay, this has my account on it. If you want, you can switch accounts if you have a different account or just log out. Help, I guess, is if you want to learn how to do Minecraft. English, if you click over here, you can select your language. So, on the front over here, on the front side, like, why did I say front? Like, in the middle over here, you're gonna see a slideshow of, like, a bunch of, uh, updates and announcements and stuff. Okay, so the skins is basically the section where, okay, in Minecraft you play as these characters and you can design skins for them. If you have a skin, I don't know, I'll do a tutorial on that later, I think, but if you have a skin that you want to put on your player, you do it over here. Okay, so player model, there's different player models as well. And, okay, so this basically shows your skin. You can browse your skins on your computer, and if you have one, you can save and upload. This basically pans around your character so you can see your skin. Okay, these are sample skins, which basically you can sample default skins, or you can reset your skin to like the original. Settings are basically, I guess, the settings. I don't actually know all about the launcher, but launcher settings. Okay, update to beta versions of the launcher. So I guess you can update to like beta versions of new versions of the launcher. Keep the launcher open while this game is running. So I guess you can keep the launcher open while you're playing the game, like this page. Open output log when the game starts. So output log. Uh, sorry, I need to process that. I guess it's like a log that shows that outputs what you do, like tells what you do, and then you sort profiles by last played or name. Privacy settings automatically ask Mojang for assistance with fixing game crashes, so I guess you can do that. Launch options are basically options for okay, I'm not really going. Okay, so with this video, I'm actually going to be talking the whole time. I don't really want to cut out that many things because I don't want it to take long to edit. So I'm going to try to do well with talking and stuff. I'm not going to edit this video that much. So yeah, yeah. Launch options are basically the options for like if you want. They're basically you can make new different uh types of launches and games and stuff. Okay, well basically, if you want, you can add mods or like Optifine, which basically makes your Minecraft settings more optimal. Or you can change versions and stuff. Historical versions. So I guess you can add the historical old versions. Okay, okay. Enable snapshots. You can basically turn on. You can make it so you can take screenshots or not. Advanced settings. You can add advanced settings. So if you want to make a new launch version, you can click this add new, and then you'll have this. Okay, maybe I'll go through the more complex parts of this later, because you probably don't even know much about this. Okay, actually, I'll do it. You can like go to make a launch version with different versions and stuff, and you can add a name as well to it. The resolution, you can change the resolution. I know what this is, or this, or this, or this, and then you can save or cancel if you don't want to do it. Okay, so now the front again. So you can click on this arrow to go to different launch options that you created, or click on this center arrow to play. So now you're going to notice a new application will open. Okay, like that. Okay, hold on. I don't want this recording to not work, because I need to know if I'm running out of storage. Nope. Okay, so sometimes your game will appear like this, I mean, for me, it doesn't go into full screen, so if you want to do that, there's different options. Okay, so if you want to turn it to full screens, click on options, and then video settings, which has different settings, and then you can turn on the full screen. Like, you click on full screen and then click done. Okay, I'll go through the settings later, but okay, I guess this option over here, you can choose like the language you want this to be in. There's this joke one called lolcats, which is like, I guess the way a cat would describe everything. Where is it? Lolcats. Okay, yeah, that's it. Forced Unicode font. I had no idea what that is. So you click on the language and you can get the language. Okay, but let's go back to English. I went to the new United Kingdom version for a second. Where's the American one? United States. Oh, there's also a pirate speak for pirate, like, if you, I guess that's another joke version. So quit game, you can quit the game. Okay, Minecraft Realms. Mojang, I don't know what that is. So multiplayer is basically where you can play on different servers that you can add. Like, okay, so servers are basically these things like that are these Minecraft worlds that that people host, that like people can just multiple people can play on. There's also local connect, which is where you can just connect to devices locally and have them play with you. Like, you can click on that, and then there's a local code that will pop up, so you guys can use that code. Refresh is where you can refresh things to update new information. Add server is where you can add a server. You add the name and then the IP, and you can turn on the the resource packs. Oh, by the way, if you want to go to a server, you just click on the profile picture, and you can actually move them in different places, and just click the play button, or you can click cancel if you don't want to use the servers. What the heck? Okay, sometimes when I'm talking a bunch, I kind of blank out, and I know. I just kind of, sometimes I just kind of stop being able to think about what I'm saying. Okay, now, single player is basically if you just want to, like, play in a Minecraft world, like, without playing with anyone else. Okay, so you can search up your worlds you have, or you can create a new one. There's different worlds over here. You can click on the play button to play it. Okay, now let's create a world. Let's call this test tutorial world, not test world. Okay, so you can name it, and there's different modes you can play on. Survival is basically where you have to, like, where, you play, you have to, like, break the blocks yourself and craft the tools yourself, and you can get hurt and stuff. Okay, hardcore mode is basically the same, except, if you die forever. The world is deleted. In Minecraft survival mode, you actually respawn, but sometimes your items that you have, like you have items in your inventory, and they drop out of your inventory if you die, and you have to collect them again. They just float. Creative mode is basically a game mode where you can break blocks instantly. You can do, yeah, you can, like, fly and just be creative, and you don't get hurt unless you want to. Yeah. Okay, now there's extra options. You can use a seed, like you can type in a seed that will generate a world. Okay, the structures you can turn them on or off. They're basically like these man-made structures that just spawn in this game. And then there's allow cheats, which you can, like, do, like, certain commands and cheats and stuff. You can turn them on or off. I'll turn them on because, yeah, I want to go in different modes. World type. So there's different types of worlds you can spawn. So there's the default, which is like a normal spawn world that has normal stuff in it. And then there's super flat, which is basically a really flat world that's really thin. You can actually customize which layers of types of, like, blocks you want for your world. Like, Minecraft basically is made of blocks, I guess. Like, yeah, Minecraft is mostly made of blocks and stuff, like meter blocks. Like, all the materials are blocks. Well, not all of them, but most of them. Okay, there's also large biomes, which I just skipped past. It's basically, Minecraft has different biomes, and you can select that version to make them large. I guess world type amplified is where you amplify the terrain, and then there's buffet. I forgot what that was, actually. Oh wait, that's the custom version, which way you can customize the spawn options. Bonus chest. It's basically this little chest full of starter items that you can use. Done. Okay, we're done with that. I'm sorry. Let's create this world. Now, okay. Okay, so this actually seems like a time to end this first episode. I'm sorry about that. I'll teach you how to actually play the game in the next episode, though. I have other stuff to do anyways, so yeah. Okay, so you just spawn, and there's just all these blocks everywhere, I guess, that you can, if you want to break one, then, okay, I'll teach you the controls and how to play the game in the next episode. But yeah, for now, goodbye.